Hi friends, I'm Polishim and welcome to my new tutorial of Python slices or Python slicing. So I told you in previous videos that what is slicing. Mm, okay, so you remember that in string we used that. I'm showing you string equals to hello world. And do you remember that we did this? Suppose I want to print 5 characters and from first index to fifth index, then we did this. But now if you want to do this in our list, then you can do I'm declaring my list, and here 1 2 3 4, sorry, I'm taking 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is my list. Okay, I will print my list. My list, it will show my list. Now continue, move towards slicing. Now if I write my list and sorry my list, and in brackets, square brackets, I write I want to print from 4 till 8. Press enter. So now index 0, this is having index 1, this is having index 2, similarly this is having index 9, and we have given here command that print from index 4 till index 8. So it will print from index 4. So 0 1 2 3 and 4. Here 4 index is having number 4, so it started from printing 4 and till 8. That means it will print its -1. We are writing here 8, so it will print till 7. Then it will print 7. For example, if I write my list and here I write 1 2 5, then what will be the output? It will print from index 1, which is 0 and 1. So here index 1 is 1 and till 5. So here index 5 is 5, but it will print till 4 because -1 and -1. It will print till n -1. So now let's check output. Okay, so 1 2 3 and 4. I will print 1 2 3 and 4. So this is it. Now I always remember that in array in C and C++ or Java, the array started from 0 till n. So in the same way, in this the lists and string starts from 0. Okay, now consider another list. My list 1. So my list 2. My list 2 equals to, and here I'm writing E P C D. This is my list 2, and I want to print my list from index 2 to index 3. Now press enter. Okay, what's the problem? Let me check it. Okay, sorry, I have written here my list. Sorry, I used here comma, which is wrong. So my where I'm writing, yeah, my list in brackets, and I want to do this for list 2. So from index 2 to index 3. So what will be the output? Just guess. Index 2, so 0, 1 and 2, that means it will print C, and till index 3, that means index 3 is D, but we will print n minus 1, so it will print only C. Let's check output. Okay, as I said, it will print C. Similarly, if you want to okay, we did it for my list. Now similarly, if we write my list 2, and I have to print from index 2 to 4. Now guess the output. It will show from index 2, that means in my list 2, index 2 is C, until 4, but it will print n minus 1, that is 4 minus 1, that is D. That means it will print C and D. Okay, let's check output. As I said, it will print C and D. Okay, now if you want to now okay, recall our list, my list, okay, which is 0 to 9. Now if you want to print from index 3 till end, so we can write, we have two methods, that is my list, now in brackets just write from 3 till end. Now here end is having index 9, but you remember that end index is printed by n minus 1, so here we will write 10. Press enter. So it will show 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that means it will show 3 to 9. And the other method is my list in brackets, here write 3, because you will, so 3, and so here 3, then colon sign, and then leave this space blank, that means it will print till end. And now press enter. Press enter, so it will print 3 to 9. That means if you don't want to write here 3 colon 10, so just write 3 and colon. And if similarly, if you want to print, I am writing here my list colon, leaving first blank and then writing till 7, enter. So it will print from starting till n minus 1 index. Okay, so here I wrote blank, so from starting and till 7, so n minus 1, which is 6, that means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, now you remember that we used backward index, so it will also work the same. My list, and here I'm suppose writing to print 6 and 6 and 7. So what will I do here? So here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. So for printing 6, I will write minus 4, and I want to suppose guess I want to print till 8. So I will write here minus 1. Press enter, so it will print 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, here why I wrote minus 1? Because minus 1 is the index of 9, and as I said earlier, that n minus the last index prints n minus 1 member. So here minus 1, that is minus 2, and it will print minus 8, which is having index minus 2. Similarly, if I want to print my list from 2, suppose from 4 till 7, so what will I do? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. 4 is having index minus 6. Let's write minus 6 colon and till 8, so till 7, so minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, but we will write minus 2, so minus 2, and press enter. It will show 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now if we want to uh, print from -3, okay, so now here to print from -3 till end, press -3 colon, keep the space blank, press enter. Okay, what's the problem? Sorry, printing mistake. My list, and then -3 till end, press enter. So it will show 7, 8 and 9. Okay, now for example, suppose my list, and here I keep first space blank and then write -3, press enter. So it will show till -3 from starting, because we left first here blank, so from starting till -3 index. So -3 index is -1, -2, -3 and +1, so -4. Okay, this is the tutorial of slicing, and now we will move to something more. And if you want to print the whole array, then you can write here my list, or you can write here my list brackets and keep both sides blank, press enter. It will print the whole array. Now if you want to print the values in sequence, so we have to opt new method. So if I will print my list, sorry, my list, that is previous one, and now I want to keep gap of 2, so I will write my underscore list, and I want to print from 0 index till index 10, so it will print the whole array, that means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, but I want to keep the gap of 2, so the gap will be written here. Okay, and for printing the whole array you have to write here prints from 0 to 10 and keeping the gap of 2, press enter. See, now you can see that gap of 2 is maintained in this array, that is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So you can see here keeping gap of 2, that is printing 0, then keeping gap of 2, that is itself index and next, so printing 2. Now printed 2, now keeping 2 gap, that is itself and the succeeding index, that is 2 and 3 gap, now printing 4. Now gap of 2 and printed 6. Similarly gap of 2 printed 8. Okay, now I want to keep the gap of 3, so if I want to print from 0 till end, keeping gap of 3, press enter. So it will print 0, 3, 6 and 9. Similarly here we have kept gap of 3, so printed 0, keeping gap of 3 and printed 3. Now keeping gap of 3, that is including 3 itself, and printed 6. Similarly keeping gap of 3 and printed 9. So our array we got is, our list we got is 0, 3, 6 and 9. Okay, and we want to print the whole array by keeping gap of 2. So as we discussed earlier, that we can print like this. If you want to print full array, then we can keep the both the side blank. But now if we want to print the whole array by keeping the gap of 2, then leave the first 2 spaces blank and then just write 2. It will print the whole array by keeping gap of 2. Similarly, mylist to print the whole array by keeping gap of 4. Press enter. Okay, so it will print like this. So no need to write again and again that 0 till 10, from 0 till 10 and keeping gap of 4. Just keep them blank and just write all the gap you want to keep. Okay, now this was the tutorial. Okay, sorry, wait for a second. Now we can do this by using backward index also. So I'm writing my list and here printing the whole array by keeping gap of -2. Okay, so now it will print, so it will take the gap -2. Okay, so now here printing 9 by keeping gap of -2, printed 7. Similarly, keeping gap of -2, printed 5. Keeping gap of -2, printed 3. Keeping gap of -2, printed, so keeping gap of -2 and printed 1. You can see here below. Okay, thank you. This was the tutorial of Python slicing and slices. And if you liked my video, then please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below. And if you think that I missed something in my tutorial, then you can comment below. Okay, thank you for watching my video. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you very much.